possible?
If you're moving, inertia makes you keep on moving. If you're standing still, inertia makes you stay right there. Do you hear what I'm trying to say?
Yes, we hear what you're trying to say is my body in motion wants to stay in motion. My body at rest, hey, we know the rest. Inertia, 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 inertia keeps you going. Inertia, 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 stop. When we stop, we really stop.
Inertia is Newton's first law of motion. It states, if there is no net force acting on a body, it will continue in its state of rest or will continue moving along a straight line with constant speed. Simply, inertia is the property of a body that opposes any change in its state of motion.
Now, let's put Newton's theory to the test.
In this experiment, we'll be using marbles to see how they demonstrate the properties of inertia. What do you think will happen to the clear marble after it's been shot at the purpley white marble?
Go.
In this experiment, letter B was correct, because an object tends to move in a straight line unless acted upon by an outside force. Now, the white marble was the outside force of this experiment. Had it not been there, the clear marble would have continued in a straight line, but the white marble deflected it and moved its course of motion. Wow, Samantha must be so tired of studying. She fell asleep with all these books. How am I going to wake her? I know. How is this possible? Is Samantha just a heavy sleeper? No way! The correct answer was B, because the net force of the hammer on the book was less than that of the mass of the book. Thus, the book did not want to move due to inertia, and it did not want to smash me. In this experiment, we'll be observing the effects of the car stopping on the Jell-O. What do you think will happen when Angie abruptly hits the brakes? If you guessed A, you're correct. The Jell-O lunged forward. Inertia states that an object in motion tends to stay in motion. The Jell-O didn't want to stop. It kept on jiggling.
So today you hopefully learned that the mysterious inertia is just the principle that states that an object at rest will tend to stay at rest, and an object in motion will tend to stay in motion unless acted upon by an outward force.
If you're moving, inertia makes you keep on moving. If you're standing still, inertia makes you stay right there. Do you hear what I'm trying to say?
Yes, we hear what you're trying to say is my body in motion wants to stay in motion. My body at rest, hey, we know the rest. Inertia, 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 inertia keeps you going. Inertia, 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 stop. When we stop, we really stop.
B is the correct answer.
Why, Samantha?
Because objects at rest tend to stay at rest. The books were at rest, and the force of the hammer was less than the mass of the books. Therefore, they didn't want to move and smash me. Now, what happened in this experiment was the white marble overthrew the path of the clear marble. Inertia states that an object in motion tends to stay in motion, and an object unless acted upon by an outside force. Here, the white marble was acting as that outside force. It did not allow the clear marble to move in a straight line. Here, Molly. Oh, shoot, you don't do the trick for the video.
Stop, Molly.
Here, Molly. Here, Molly.
Stop.
Just go listen to me, because I have to...
Come here, Molly.
Stay. No, you try to come here.
Come here, Molly. Stop. Stop. Samantha is so tired of studying that she fell asleep with all these books. How am I going to wake her? Oh, I know.